Pagkatapos ng unang dalawang sets, tabla ang ating labanan sa pagitan ng Lady Jet Spikers at ng Water Defenders. Silipin natin ang highlights ng set number 2 kung saan nayanig ng Water Defenders ang depensa ng Lady Jet Spikers.
Well, definitely mas maganda yung kanilang naipakita, no? In the second set, they made some adjustments pagdating sa kanilang depensa which allowed Nabor to execute different plays this time around nung second set. At tingnan natin ang kanilang stats for set number 2. Hindi masyadong malayo to, no? When it comes to offense, 12 points para sa Jet Spikers, 10 naman ang naitala ng Water Defenders. But the blocking of Water Defenders was very effective in the second set. Nakakuha sila ng 2 puntos in that set. So, yan siguro yung kailangan na pag-adjustan.
At ayan po ang ating bagong tandem, ang ating live stream group, led of course by our facilitator, Ms. Billy Capistrano, and our player analyst, Z. Hervasio. Ito po ang ating bagong handog para sa mga volleyball fans. You can watch the matches wherever. All you have to do is log on to premiervolleyballleague.com at makakapagpili ka pa ng camera angle na gusto mo. If you want to see yung flight at the net, you can pick the net view. If you want to see the normal view, you can check it out also. Or the back view, meron din po yan. So just check it out sa premiervolleyballleague.com. Ako, I'm gonna check it out. I'm gonna watch the matches via live stream after this match.
That's definitely gonna be very interesting. Lalo ngayon, ano, talagang digital age na rin talaga,
Yes.
Anton. I'm sure a lot of people would like to watch the action while they're on the go. At ngayon, kaya-kaya na nilang gawin.
Totoo yan. And we are definitely part of that digital shift dito sa SND. And speaking of shifting, may adjustment na ginawa si Coach Roger Goreev for the first time dito sa laban na to. Alyssa Eroa, who is a multi-awarded libero, is on the floor. And she receives this one, guiding that ball to Jasmine Nabor. Oliveros hits it again. Tuloy pa rin ang rally. Semana, binigay dito sa kanilang kapitana. It's also a new captain for the Lady Jet Spikers. Si Casas na po ang tumatayo bilang kapitana, whereas last year it was Wendy Ann Semana. So the Lady Jet Spikers on top early on, and dito sa set number 3, 3-1.
That's right. At ang kanilang top scorers also, Anton, so far in the first 2 sets. Si Tapik scored 10 already. Ilang beses na natin binanggit. She's the bright spot of the team earlier. Sinundan siya ni Cases with 7 points. Para naman sa koponan ng Water Defenders, nandyan si Sato with 7 and Soltones with 6.
4-1.
So I would say na hindi pa umiinit masyado itong si Lady Beast.
Oo.
Gretzel Soltones.
Service.
But it's a good sign that even though she hasn't piled up the points, they're still in this match.
And they won the second set.
Serving 4.
Oliveros will serve it up. Water Defenders trailing the Lady Jet Spikers 2-4. Semana. Soltones breaks down the wall.
Off the hand of Yonko. 3-4.
Panoorin natin muli. Nabor to Soltones.
Excellent set and great timing also by Soltones.
Who would have thought that you would ever hear that? Nabor to Soltones. Ayan po ang mga kombinasyon na ating makikita sa Premier Volleyball League. As we see itong kapitana, look at that flight, at the form. Puntos para sa Lady Jet Spikers.
Oh, that one is way too strong.
+1 for Valley.
Para kay Tapik.
Five to 4, nahabol na ang Water Defenders dito. I'm noticing na si Coach Roger likes to put in Jerilyn Malabanan at the front, obviously to add that size.
And yun naman ang katapat niya, si Yonko, no? So it's a good matchup in front.
at napaka-aktibo nitong si Risa Sato. Samantala, Koya Abanto
Sato
pumasok na rin
succeeds at second
para sa
try.
Lady Jet Spikers.
5-0.
Ayan na, more smile. Ano? Nakikita natin more mga ngiti. Nakikita na natin dito sa side ng Water Defenders. Celebrating their points.
And I don't know how I missed out on Risa Sato as being one of the happy players from...
Very happy.
Yes. Samantala,
+1
Soltones sends that one to the net. Ayan na naman yung peace sign ni Gretzel. Tuwing nagkakamali.
napapansin. Oo.
Ganun ang ganun.
Coach, peace. Bati tayo, coach.
And Yarionko gets another service ace there. So the Lady Jet Spikers coming back. And that's how you respond when you lose a set.
Service Yonko.
Again.
Soltones from the back row.
But that one is out.
First technical timeout.
Timeout muna tayo. Lamang ang Lady Jet Spikers kontra sa Water Defenders, 8-5. Ayan na po ang mga fans ni Ivy Remulla at ng Cool Smashers in very loud pink shirts.
You can't miss them, ano? Pag tumingin ka dito sa arena.
And the match is brought to you by Ribisco, making delightful moments possible anytime, anywhere.
They look like a very happy bunch.
Yes. Napaka-loyal fans ng Cool Smashers. And Cool Smashers, of course, will be led by Alyssa Valdez. And she will be going up against Z Hervasio, who's working the live stream right now. So, itong si Z Hervasio,
Nagari, no?
napakasipag. Nagtatrabaho ngayon.
Maglalaro mamaya.
Analyst sa ating live stream. At sa live stream po, mahirap ang trabaho dyan.
Oo.
Hindi biro kasi tuloy-tuloy ang iyong pag-analyze, pag-enjoy sa laro.
Service.
So, do check out yung mga kaganapan sa live stream by logging on to premiervolleyballleague.com. And we also have some new analysts like Pia Geiser, Rex Intal, Alfred Valbuena, also part of that. Melissa Gohing is also part of that. So, sila po ang mga analysts na inyong mapapakinggan sa aming live stream coverage.
Team Captain Joy Casas.
9-7 ang ating talaan.
Lady Jet
Maraming
Spikers.
salamat muli sa inyong pagtutok. Anton Rojas alongside Ann Remulla Kanda, and we also have Angelique Manto at courtside. Tabor. Malabanan.
Malabanan hits the line.
Malabanan with a powerful attack.
Just 1 point.
At yung magandang nakikita natin dito, ano, Nabor seems to have adjusted well. At pati yung mga spikers, ano, na they are connecting well with each other. Nakita natin yan kay Malabanan. And then earlier on with Soltones.
Here she is, Gretzel Soltones, scoring from the back row.
Ay, tuwang-tuwa. Jumping for joy naman yun.
The usual bungis-ngis smile from Gretzel Soltones. Okay, balikan muna natin si Angelique Manto.
Lagi natin gustong malaman kung volleyball nga ba ang unang sport ng ating mga manlalaro, pero oftentimes ay hindi ito ang kanilang pinagmulan. At isa na nga rito ang tubong Leyte na si Joy Casas na nagsimula bilang isang badminton player. Pero because of her thirst for reinforcement and team sports na wala sa singles at doubles ng badminton, ay nagsimula itong maglaro ng volleyball nung 4th year high school siya. At ngayon na nasa ika-4 na taon na siya sa Air Force, ay naglalaro pa rin ito ng volleyball. 6 years in the V-League, pero fondest memory niya ay recent lang, at yun ang kanilang championship ng Open Conference last season na nais niyang ulitin this year. Anton and Ann?
At siguro, malaking pagsubok ito para kay Casas sapagkat siya ay na-recognize as the new team captain. So, new experience. Sinabi nga ni Angelique, ika-4 na taon bilang bahagi ng Air Force. So, if you're part of the Air Force, you have to know how to lead.
Definitely, oo.
Too wide by Soltones.
At yung isa pa dyan, no, I think it's a little bit more challenging kung if you're a team of veterans, ikaw yung captain, you have a team na puro veterano rin ng mga kasama mo no? Hindi yan yung parang seniority na may mga bata. So, mas mahirap din siguro i-manage. But, of course,
Ball is out.
Ang maganda naman dyan, meron siyang Wendy Ansemana, who is a born leader, and
Jerry Lee
pwede siyang saluhin anytime.
for Valley Pure.
And everybody gets that opportunity once in a while to lead, and it's a great skill and a responsibility na kailangan i-develop ng isang tao, as Jerry Lee Malabanan gets another service ace.
Pero alam mo, Anton, dun sa report ni Angeli kanina, no, nakakatuwang na marinig talaga na some of the players who excel now in volleyball, ang kanilang unang sport, iba. At and even some of them, late na rin nag-umpisa, late na rin nag-shift. Like in the case of Cass's, 4th year high school na nung nag-shift siya to volleyball. But look at her, look at where she is now.
Marami talaga tayong nakikilala mga volleyball players with that type of story. Kat Bersola, Kathy Bersola comes in mind. Taekwondo siya before volleyball. Si Fen Emnas used to be a lawn tennis player bago siya naging volleyball player. So it's very interesting stories from everybody as we see the San Sebastian duo, Eroa and Soltones, just laugh about not being able to get this one. Eh kaya pala tinamaan ni Gretzel.
So, medyo na-redirect yung bola.
Ready na saluhin ni Alyssa Eroa yung bola. At muntik na makascore si Alyssa Eroa doon. At ayun na nga.
Double violation ngayon ang tinawag.
14-12.
The Water Defenders, naagaw ang kalamangan dito.
For Valley Pure.
Alam mo, sa mga games na ganito, it's really about adjustments. Kailangan, in the case of yung Water Defenders na nakuha sa kanila ang first set, nag-a-adjust pa sila, but they follow the instructions of Coach Roger Gorayev. Here in the third, hindi nila hinayaang mawala ang momentum na nakuha nila nung second set. Tingnan natin kung kaya nilang masustain ito, Anton, until the end.
I'm out. Lady Jet
Well, Coach Jasper wants to make sure na hindi lumobo itong kalamangan ng Water Defenders.
Tema natin, wala tayong receiving. Kaya hindi tayo makapag-play. Kapitan natin yung receive. Tignan nyo yung tignan nyo yung, hawakan nyo yung linya dito sa likod. Joy, yung linya dito sa likod. Ang layo binitawan nyo. Ha? Sige, pag nagkamali tayo, diretso lang. Wala naman yun Normal lang naman magka-error, pero dapat, pagka nag-error tayo, bawi kagad tayo. Walang bibitaw Okay, malayo pa yan, walang bibitaw. Sinasabi natin kahit natatalo tayo, basta masaya tayo Yun na nawawala sa atin. Masaya natin sa loob. Go!
Ayan na, yan ang reminder ni Coach Jasper Jimenez. Kailangan masaya sila sa loob ng volleyball court.
At the service zone.
Well, let's see. Ang inaabangan natin yung mga smile na magmumula sa mga players. But it's really hard to smile, Anton, at maging masaya sa loob ng court kung ikaw yung naghahabol. Let's see though. They've been playing smart. They started off very well in the first set.
Semana, binigay dito sa gitna. Nabor to Soltones. Abanto. Semana, back set. Yonko. Blockers were there. Puntos para sa Water Defenders as we head to this technical timeout. Magbabalik po ang Premier Volleyball League. You're looking at Mr. Phil Cortez and Tito Pandillo of the Water Defenders. And right now, Water Defenders looking good on the volleyball court. And this jam-packed Phil Oil Flying V Center in San Juan. Pero sa lahat ng mga nakatutok ngayon via SNA, maraming salamat po. It's a historic day for Philippine volleyball sa pagbubukas ng Premier Volleyball League. And speaking of history, congratulations sa ating kababayan na si Donnie Ahas Nietes na naging 3-division world champion kagabi sa Pinoy Pride 40. You can check out the fight tonight pagkatapos ng aming coverage ng Premier Volleyball League dito sa SNA sa mga mahilig sa boxing dyan. Do check out the matchup that happened last night in Cebu. Soltones against two blockers. Iniwasan ni Gretzel, and Gretzel's able to give Sato a little sumakit yung neck ni Risa Sato.
Sobra-sobra naman daw.
Parang neck lock yung ginawa ni Gretzel. Tuloy, napapeace sign siya ulit.
But, you know, Anton, here in the third set, mas maganda talaga ang ipinapakita sa atin ng Water Defenders in terms of offense. Meron silang 6 points. Blocking is also really helping them, kaya hindi rin makapag-adjust masyado itong the Lady Jet Spikers. Nahihirapan silang kumuha ng puntos. May 3 points na dyan ang Water Defenders. Well, let's see kung anong magiging sagot nila to put a stop to the scoring of this team in blue.
Jasmine Nabor.
Good attempt from Nabor, but pure execution. Pero lahat sila, no, pag nagkakamali consistently, tumatawa at tumitingin kay Coach Roger.
Soltones, baby, that one. And Coach Roger tumalikod after that incident right there at the timeout si Coach Roger. Pakinggan natin to.
Ang bagal-bagal niya maglaro eh. Kung hinihintay ninyo. Kasi sigla dun sa load eh. Maglalaglag ka, huwag mo hitinin yung sarili mo. Ikaw yung pumapalo eh. Ikaw yung nahihirapan. Kung gusto mo maglaglag dun sa ibabaw, hindi ka maglalaglag ng gano'n eh. Kung pumasok man yun, maaabot din ang kamay niya. Eh, hahaba ng kamay nun eh. Diba? Just, isip na higit. Paluin mo. Ano ka lang, maging fix ka lang sa decision mo. Huwag ka nag-iisip. Kakalanganin ka eh.
The reaction from Gretzel Soltones after babying that last hit.
Number 17.
Tingnan natin, abangan natin ito. Nakita ko, sumenya siya kay Nabor. Let's see kung anong play ang magiging sagot nila. Pero bago pa yan, there's that service error from the Jet Spikers.
So sumenyas kay Nabor, ibig sabihin gusto niya na bumawi, hiningi na yung toss dito kay Nabor. Let's see if she will get one.
And take note, she's actually a back row player at this point in time. Pero nakita naman natin throughout this game, it doesn't matter kung nasaan rotation itong si, opposition rather, itong si Soltones. Kahit nasa back row yan, pop option pa rin yan ng setter para bigyan ng set.
Sato was there, Nabor was there as well. Yari Yonko, dulo-dulo, ginagawa ng Lady Jet Spikers, and Risa Sato with the drop ball.
Well read para kay Sato. Look at this play. Good, great execution, good set from Nabor. Sato sees that opening.
Antipuesto shows us her version of a quick attack from the middle.
16 to 21. Yarionko serving.
Malabanan. Eroa. Nabor. Quick attack kay Sato. Antipuesto was there. Soltones. Back row bomb for Gretzel Soltones.
Still worked. They get that point.
Panoorin natin muli. Isa lang ang naging kalaban ni Soltones sa offensive attack na yon. And now, the Water Defenders looking good after that back row bomb from Soltones and the service ace from Jasmine Nabor. 23 to 17 na ang ating talaan. Tumimeout na naman si Coach Jasper Jimenez.
Jen, mag-block ka ng gano'n, kailangan nakapasok yung kamay mo. At 2 beses na yun. Block mo nga pero nakalabas naman yung kamay mo sa sa net. Useless, kailangan nakapasok. Okay? So, receive talaga ang natin, problema natin. Step up tayo sa receive. Overcome natin. Kaya naman lumalayo dahil sa receive natin, hindi tayo nakakapag-play. Yun lang naman ang problema. So, enjoy lang natin. Diba? Ha? Yung receive lang natin. Yun lang, wala nang iba. Yun ang problema. Nakakapatay tayo pag maganda receive natin. Okay ha? Go, go, go. Receive, receive, receive.
17 is the score here in the third
Ayan
set.
po si Gretzel Soltones and her good buddy, Alyssa Eroa. We wondered kung kailan ulit magiging magkasama sa volleyball team si Eroa at si Soltones matapos mag-graduate sa San Sebastian si Soltones, and it didn't take long for them to be teammates again.
A look at the water defenders celebrate. Ito yung hinihintay natin kanina, no? Even Ordas, na bibihirang tumawa, celebrating their lead here in the third.
Tama ka, Ann. Serious type nga si Aiko. So it's nice to see her show her different side. Samantala, Sato would not get that one to go.
Medyo malayo yung approach nitong si Sato. She was a bit far from the net for a quick set. So hindi na ipasok yung opensa na yun.
Samantala, Malabanan, pumalo sa gitna. Nabor, Soltones, Urdas over the blockers. Semana, Pantino, wala. Soltones from the back row, too wide.
Too much force on that attack. Pero isa na lang ang puntos na kailangan ng water defenders to close the set. So it has to be perfect from this point on para dito sa Jet Spikers. No room for mistakes.
Nabor, quick attack para kay Sato. Eroa, nice pass to Jasmine Nabor, and it leads to an attack from the opposite side, courtesy of Jeremy Malabanan. So the FU Lady Tamarao blending in well with the Lady Stags and the Lady Bulldogs. And now the water defenders, after losing set number 1, are on top 2-1. Magbabalik po ang Premier Volleyball League para sa set number 4.